In this video, we are going to talk about how to become consistently profitable with your trading. Whether you are a new trader, whether you have been in the markets for a long time and probably you are not seeing the results that you believe you should be seeing. So people always ask me this thing, so I keep on making these videos and trying to get the message across how to become uh, better with your trading. I'm not saying trade how I trade. By the way, you can see how I trade. You get an idea. It's mainly from zone to zone, and it's on higher time frames. Is what works for me. It might not be what works for you. You probably love scalping. You probably love day trading. You probably prefer position trading. Whatever is working for you, then that's fine. By the way, if you are new on this channel, you can always subscribe so that you do not miss future videos. Go ahead and like the video. That's the only thing that you can do to make my day, because everything that I give out on this channel, I give out for free. I don't charge people for the information that I share with you guys. So yeah, go ahead and make my day and just like the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Uh, there are also links in the description box below. You can visit those blogs and you can download free forex robots, free indicators, free systems, books. Everything is free, guys. Everything on this channel is free. If anybody asks you to buy anything or to sell you anything on this channel, know that it's not me. It's somebody is scamming you. Okay, so going back to the video, what are the quick tips that I would share with somebody? Let's say maybe you're just starting, or maybe you are not seeing uh, the profits that you think you should be seeing in trading. First of all, I would say the first thing that you need to do, whether you're a novice or whether you are struggling with your trading, scale things down. Scale things down. Don't worry about what you're seeing here. I don't trade all these pairs. Some of them I just go there to see what's happening and stuff like that. What you want to actually do, you'll probably see your broker probably has, for argument's sake, let's say he probably has 100 pairs on offer. One of the biggest mistakes people make is they try to trade all those 100 pairs. You don't need to trade those 100 pairs in order to see success in trading. In order to make money in trading, you don't need to trade 100 pairs. There are people who are more successful today just trading one pair. Whether they are trading just gold or silver or AUD or GBP USD, a popular one, or Euro USD, a popular one, or they just master uh, the UK 100, the FTSE, or they master NAS 100, NASDAQ 100. You find people who are most successful in trading, they focus on one pair, one thing. At most, you probably just want to look at 3 pairs. That's it. Take everything off your charts. Take everything off your charts. For example, if you're still starting out, I would say maybe try out 5 pairs and see how they move. From those 5 pairs, scale it down to 3. But my advice is find one pair that you master. One pair that you like, one pair that moves the way you like, one pair that you will master. Scale things down. That's the key to success. Scale things down. Second thing that you want to do is to actually pick a time. When you pick that pair, find a time when that pair has got enough volume. For example, if it's probably Euro USD or GBP USD, we are looking at either London session or the New York session. London session or New York session, because we are having these European currencies versus the US dollar. So they are going to see volume in the London session, and they are going to see volume in the US session. But they are going to see a peak volume during the overlap between the London session and the US session. So you don't want to spend the whole day just looking at your charts. You are at your table, you're looking at your charts. You are in a bus, you are looking at your charts. You are at a meeting, you are looking at the charts. You are at work, you are looking at the charts. You are at the gym, you are looking at the charts. You do not want to do that. What you want to do is find a time when that pair moves, or when that pair does something that you noticed is your time to make money. Then only focus on that time. For example, people who trade NAS 100, most successful people who trade NASDAQ 100 and the US indices, or the the European indices like German 40 and the FTSE 100, you want to focus mainly at the open of the market. That's why you find many people who trade NAS 100. They wait for the New York session open. And during that first hour, that's when they make their money and they are out. That's it. That's when they make their money and they're out. So pick a pair, pick a specific time. Uh, Maybe you don't want to trade 2 sessions. Just pick a time when you're mostly free. For example, I'm in South Africa. Probably you want to trade the US session because now that's late in the day, and probably things have like died down in your work, because in the morning you cannot catch the London session because you are probably at work or probably at school, and it's in the morning. You're probably looking at emails, you're probably reading news, you're probably doing a whole lot of things. But late in the afternoon, that's when you've basically sort of cleared your work. You've probably cleared the tasks that you had, and then you can find free time to what, to actually look at the market. So pick a pair, pick a time. The other thing that you probably want to do is find a setup. You need to find something that works for you. For some people, it's supply and demand, support and resistance, like what I do. For some people, it's patterns. Some people look at flags. They look at a whole lot of things. For some people, they look at butterflies. What do they call them? Harmonics. Harmonics. Some people are hunting for W patterns, some people are hunting for M patterns, some people are find something, a setup that you love, that you believe makes you money at a certain time frame, at a certain time of the day. If that setup is there, you buy or you sell. If it's not, you close your charts and you go and do your other things. That's it. You don't have to complicate your life. If that setup is not there, then you go and do other things. There are people who just wait for a particular setup, and when that setup comes in, they milk it. That's how many professional traders make their money. They are prepared to wait for days for that setup to develop. So you need to just find a setup, a strategy, simple, straightforward, no hanky panky, no dancing around a fire, no looking at the stars to align, no funny business. A simple thing that confirms that the setup is there, then you enter, you buy, or you sell. Last point is risk management. Risk management. I always ask people this question: The market is always going to be there. But are you going to be there? Is your account going to be there? So you need to pay attention to risk management. Risk management. Risk management. Know how much you are risking. Know how much you stand to lose. It's not just about how much you probably are going to make. Look at how much you are probably going to lose if things don't go your way. Risk management. Manage your risk. Don't first look at how much money you're probably going to make. Look at how much money you're probably going to lose if things don't go your way. Okay, if you missed any point or if you did not understand anything, probably just rewind the video, watch it again. Definitely, I believe that I've shared some gems here that can help you, especially if you are starting or if you are been here and you're not seeing the success that you thought you should be seeing. Again, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.